Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I'm going to unbox a diamond painting for you today from Oraloa. So I hope you stick around and you watch the video and you enjoy it. So if you're new, I do diamond painting unboxings and diamond painting events and all kinds of other fun stuff. I hope you find something you like here and you stick around. Hit that like button, subscribe, and become one of the happy family, all right? And if you have been here before, thank you for returning, all right? So Oraloa contacted me. I have been able to get a few things from Oraloa, compliments of them to show you. They are a wonderful company. They are based in France, but everything that we get comes from Canada, gets shipped from Canada. So they're starting up sneak peeks again in the fall, working on new diamond paintings and things like that. They've got some nice stuff. They've had some really, really good stuff come out lately that I really like. This is an older kit, and they've sent me a few to show you. So we're going to do that. We're going to show you some of the stuff that they have, and just know they are getting a lot of new stuff, and they have some stuff I'm really excited about. They really do. Some artists that I really enjoy. So this is their box. I believe somebody I saw got a different box. Like maybe they've updated their box, but all of mine came in this box. So I love their like theme. It's all Island of the Arts. It's, you know, it's pretty cool. A lot of tiki things and whatnot. It's fun. So let's get into it and I'll show you what I have. Okay. As soon as I get the plastic off. There we go. All right. Let's see what it is. There is a picture on the end of the box. I'll show you that real quick. It's a lorry. I think it's Felipon. It's called Free Spirit. Let's just open it because the picture, you know, the picture doesn't do it any justice. So let's get into it. Okay, come on. Sure. Ah, open. All right. So comes in the box and comes in a bag. Love it. Nicely protected. Okay. I really need to work on one of theirs. I've got a few of theirs now, and I really need to work on one. I have some really nice ones too. So they have the soft back canvas, the felt-like feeling, and they have serged and poked edges, or scalloped and poked, not serged and poked, scalloped and poked. And they have a beautiful, beautiful looking drill field. I'll show it to you. Let's get up close. Oh, that is confetti, confetti, confetti. Look at that. Oh, it's like every other one almost is a different symbol. Ooh, that'll be fun, right? This has 62 colors. Join the Oraloa family. Here's their information right there. Oraloa, Island of the Arts. It's poured glue. I'm going to roll it backwards so we can get everything out of the inside and show you this. I think it's super cute. Super cute. So let's get to it. It's kind of big, huh? Still going. It's kind of big. What size is this thing, right? What size is it? Oh no. Okay, here we go. Okay, I don't know if I have a code for Oraloa or not, but here's one for you. And if I have one, I'll put it below, but I don't know if I do. Oraloa 15 saves you 15% off. This side is in French. Instructions, tips, and tricks right there. Here we go. Okay, that's what we got there. What do we have here? All of our drills are in here. Look at the pretty colors. It's very pastel. Very pretty, though. Oh, my gosh. Look at those colors. Look at the peaches. The peaches are fantastic. That's our sticker. Let's look at the toolkit here. What do we get in our toolkit? It's a nice little toolkit. I call this an upgraded toolkit. It's not your basic, you know. Okay. Oh, look. We have a sparkly pen with a 3-placer on it. We have purple tweezers. Look at those. Sharp, I'm assuming. Yep, sharp tweezers. Love it. We have our boat and another placer there. We have a purple squishy. And we have blue wax and a little caddy. I love the caddies. There's plastic on that. You got to take it off. You can't use it with the plastic on it. No. And then there's a washi tape. Oh, look it. It's their branded washi tape. It's Oraloa, the little tiki guy. He's so cute. And we have a dolphin. Some more little guys on there. Cute. Love it. Love, love, love it. A little branded washi tape. That is wonderful. I've never gotten that before. Okay, let's set that aside. Let's look at our sticker sheet and get all of our information about this kit. Okay, so Lori Philippon, Free Spirit. Look how cute she is. See all that peach and stuff in the background? So here she is, and she's got her birds are just kind of buzzing around her there. Isn't it cute, though? It is an 80 by 57. See, I knew it was big. I kept unrolling and unrolling and unrolling. These are some extra little stickers. This is all a sticker sheet. You'd have to cut these out. They're not individually cut, but the labels are. All 62 of them individually cut. There you go. There's their website. And how many ABs? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ABs. That's nice. Nice, nice, nice. All right. Cute, right? Love it. Okay, let's look at her. Let's look at her. Put all that stuff over there. And she's upside down. We don't want to see her upside down, do we? No. Okay, here we go. Drills out of our way. Look at that, right? Now, this will lay flatter if you pull this plastic back. Look, I'll show you. It's been rolled up, you know, it's been rolled up, and so it wants to stay rolled up. But you pull the plastic back. I'm just going to do it a little ways like that. It's thick plastic. That's why it's making all that noise. It's really thick, which I appreciate, thick plastic. And then look how it lays down nice and flat for you, right? Look at just that part right there. Look, nice, right? So there's nothing wrong with this canvas at all. This is just the rolly lines from being rolled up. And who knows how long some of these have been in a box, right? You just never know. All right, let's zoom you all the way out. There she is. Isn't she cute? She is super cute. I love her work. I mean, I like everything that she does pretty much. It's all kind of like right in my style, you know? Down here is the licensing information because they are all licensed. And like I said, they are getting some new artists. You guys, I know one. This background kills me though. Look at it. It is just like a couple of these, one of those, a couple of those. Oh my goodness. That is confetti central right there. It's going to be really pretty though. I mean, isn't she cute? I love it. I love that the birds have flowers like on their wings. That one does anyhow. And then this one's big tail feathers and are going right up here like into her hair. She is cute. Cute, right? Okay, let's look at drills. We got 2 big bags full of drills. Now, let's see. What do we get? What do we get in our bags? Are they in order? Are they in order? Let's see. I believe they are. 34, and they're square drills. Okay, I wasn't certain. Did it say someplace? It probably did, and I just didn't notice. So they're square drills. Mint. Look at that peach, though. 3 bags of that peach color. You know that's going to be in that background. Look at the pretty magenta, right? Okay. Somebody gave me flack not too long ago about not taking all of the pre-bag drills out and showing you. You know who you are. Look at the pretty colors, though. Look at more peaches. Love those colors. Wow. And then we have yellows. I love it. Okay, what else? There is a ton more peach back there. And blues. Okay. And then look at these. Wow. We have got 3 huge bags. Okay, so look, we've got this one here, really light. We've got this one, and we got this one. So we've got a light, a medium, and a dark peach color. And then there's some black. We got more black. And then we have some reds. Look at that purple. Such a pretty color that one is. 2 bags of it. Pinks and more pinks. Okay. All right. I'm making a mess. Taking all these out. See, now I'm going to have to put them all back in. It's all right. You want to see the colors. I know you want to see the colors. I get it. This bag has our ABs. I've already seen them. Or I know they're in here. Let's just put it that way. Okay. What does this one have for us? More peach. Oh my goodness. The peaches. Look at this, you guys. Okay, these are like backwards. Okay. Look at those. Another peach. Whoa. And more peach. And more pinks. I think it's a lot of peach and pink. What do you think? Peach and pink. Peach and pink. What else do we have? More peach. More purples. More yellows. Lovely. Oh my gosh. So pretty. So, 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 so pretty. Okay. Have we hit the ABs? We may have. Hang on. No, these are not AB. Okay. All right. These are not AB either. Hang on. There's one more of these guys. Come on. Work with me here. Work with me. Okay. These are all like a creamy color. They're not pure white. They're 38.65. Well, I don't know. They're creamy white. 4 bags of them. And then a brown. I mean, my goodness, right? My goodness. How pretty. Okay. Did I say 6 ABs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yep. Okay. So we have a very pale pink AB. Super pretty. Pale. Then we have this rosy colored pink AB. Love it. Then we have a red. Love it. We have 2 blues, a lighter and a darker blue. Nice. And we have quite a bit of yellow, very pale yellow. It's all pastel colors. And it's so pretty. I mean, it is so, so pretty. All right. I'm going to really quickly see if I can find these ABs for you. I'm going to give it like a quick shot. Okay. So C is this color. And so it's the C. It's going to be darker. So where are we going to find it? Where are we going to find it? Let's give it a go. Let's give it a go. See, sometimes it is super hard to find these. These canvases are large and hard to find. And I'm not finding it. Aye. Okay. Where do you see any C's? Oh, there's a couple up here. Just a couple. And that flower up there. I got more than that. I got more. I got more. I got more. They're not popping out though. Okay, up in this wing, up here and here, there's some. But down here. You guys. Okay, here's a big patch right here. This whole patch right here is the C. Okay, I'm going to stop there. There's probably not a lot more than that. Okay. 58 is this pink, and it is a K. Did I see the K as I was strolling through all these pink areas? Yeah. So you'll see the K's are down in through here. You see them? There's K's in there. Are there K's over here? Yeah, there's K's throughout here, just little bits. How about back up here in these wings? Yeah, so there's some K here. There's some in here, quite a bit in through here and here. It's that darker pink. And then her hair. You get some in her hair through the braid. Okay, I found more C's over there, the red. Okay, let's move on. We don't want to take all day to do this, right? 59 is the light pink, this pretty, pretty light pink, and it's a check mark. Where did we see the check mark? The light pink. Is it down here? Nothing in the background, I don't think. Okay, it is really light. It's up in here. So, can you see it here? That's the light pink. It's through here. And then we get little speckles of it throughout her hair up there. How about over here? Do we have some more over here? Yes. This big patch through here. There's some in all these little flowers through here. Okay. And there's some up here. A little bit here, a little bit there. It's almost acting like a white. Then we have number 60, which is the darker blue. I'm going to look for these at the same time. So they are a star and an E, and they're going to be in the blue areas, right? So let's start here. Star and E. Is it a big E, little E? Okay, so the little E goes through the wings like this. And where's the star? Where is the star? Where's the star of the show? More E's up there. I'm not, okay. Okay, there we go. So the lighter one is in here, and then the star is up and around this area. So any over here? Nope. Okay, probably just in the birds, like in here and in here, that blue. And then the last color I have is yellow, and it is like a slash, but it's a big wide slash. Let's see. Oh, it's all through here. It's all through here. This is like the moon, I think. No, that's the bird. I'm sorry, that is the bird. And it comes up through this tail. Some in this flower. How about this bird? This bird's got to have some too, right? Oh yeah, they're all over. Through here, up in here, all around its head, this flower. So yeah, lots and lots of AB on this. It will be super, super pretty, won't it? I love it. And thank you, Oraloa, for letting me show some more things. I got to pick one to put some drills on. I might like gather up the ones that I have and see what one do I really, really, really want to work on. Yeah, I've got a few now. I've got some landscapes. I got some of these cute girls from Lori. I got to work on one, put some drills on one. So let your creativity sparkle, they say. So again, thank you for letting me show it. I hope you guys check out Oraloa. I will have it linked below so you can go take a peek for yourself and see if there's something you like. And keep going. I mean, follow them on Instagram. They put out like little sneak peeks of new paintings coming out. That's how I learned about new stuff coming out. So follow them on Instagram, Facebook, and you'll know what they're up to because they're doing good stuff over there. They got a really nice product. I just need to work on one. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I hope you enjoyed. And I'll be talking to you soon. All right. Bye, everybody.